You're amazing.
For me, the friends that I made through gaming and through Twitch represent years of successful treatment. And that's not something that I would give up for anything.
Do your content the way you want to do it. Be the person you want to be. And if it doesn't line up with somebody else, that's okay.
Followers are friends, not numbers.
My dude. Yeah!
Regardless of who we are or what we look like, we deserve love. There's no faster way than to be able to make a connection with someone who values something that you value.